This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Holly Bryant. Nestled at the end of a quiet cul-de-sac in Tellico Village, this classic 4-bedroom/3-bath build offers a spacious, bright, open floor plan west the owner's suite plus 2 bedrooms on the main level, a finished basement with full bath and family room for guests, or even semi-separate living quarters, plus extensive decking and large picture windows throughout for enjoying lake views, wildlife and the beauty of East Tennessee. Other features include laundry room west utility sink, extra storage, generously sized eat-in kitchen west newer stainless steel appliances, including refrigerator, breakfast bar, great room west brick, gas, fireplace, access to Toqua's walking trails and the availability of village amenities including golf, boating, pools, wellness center and more. Sold as is. No repairs made by seller. For more information, review the details below or contact Holly Bryant at 865-693-1111.